Your timer starts now. Song number 1. Reynaldo, tatay ko. Hindi niya nasagot. Mamaya, balikan natin pag may time pa. Song number 2. Helen. Ay, nami-mental block kayo. Song number 3.
Leron-leron sinta.
Correct! Song number 4. Matet.
Wala nang iibigin.
Nasabi mo yung lyrics nung kanta. Pero hindi yan ang pamagat. Sorry, Matet. Song number 5. Mar.
Sasakay ako.
Ha?
Sasakay ako.
Saan?
Sa'yo.
Sa akin, kabayo talaga ako, ha? Kanina love team kita, ngayon kaaway na kita. Wrong yon, Mar. Song number 6. Joyce.
Para-paraan.
Correct! Para-paraan! Ni Nadine Lustre. Song number 7. Chel.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday is correct. Song number 8. Charles.
Can it be true?
Nasabi mo rin ang lyrics. That's not the title. Song number 9. Sandy.
How did you know?
Correct! How did you know? Ni Gary Valenciano. Number 10. Lawrence.
Namumula?
Namumula ni Maki is correct! Napatugtog na namin ang 10 mga awitin. Nagsimula tayong meron kayong 85 seconds. At nakahula kayo ng 5 doon sa 10. Meron na kayong 5 correct answers. At dahil may natitira pang 54 seconds, babalikan natin ang mga awit na hindi nyo nahulaan ang pamagat. Kaya ba nating ibigay lahat ng tamang sagot para sa 1 million pesos? Balikan natin ang song number 1. Raz,
Baliw sa'yo.
baliw sa'yo is wrong. Song number 2. Eileen,
Photographs.
wrong. Song number 4. Noah,
Panalangin.
sabi ni Noah, panalangin. Tugon po. Correct! Panalangin ng Apo Hiking Society. Song number 5. Meray.
Sasakyan kita.
Wrong. Song number 8. Janet.
Somewhere in my past.
Somewhere in my past is correct! Favorite ko yan, Somewhere in my past ni Julie Vega. Sa pangalawang ulit ng mga kanta, matapos yun, nakapagdagdag kayo ng 2 tamang sagot. Now you have 7 correct answers. 3 na lang. 3 tamang sagot na lang, 1 million na. Hula na tayo ulit. Play song number 1. Toto.
Pangarap lang.
Wrong. Lumayo. Malapit na yung kanina eh. Song number 2. Mac.
All this day.
Wrong. Song number 5. Queen.
Sasakay ako sa ating pangarap.
Wrong. Hindi nyo talaga mahulaan yung tatlo. Nabawasan na ng bawasan ang oras ninyo, pero malaki-laki pa naman ito. Meron pa kayong 40 seconds. Tatlo na lang. May isang humula kanina na halos nasabi niya ang tamang pamagat. Sumobra lang. Bahala na kayo kung ano yon. Patugtugin natin ulit ang song number 1. Cheche.
Baliw.
That is correct. Baliw ni Maymay Entrata and Edward Barber. 39 seconds. 2 more song titles. Eto na ang song number 2. Naufa.
Day.
Wrong. Song number 5. Geraldine.
Pangarap.
Wrong. Mahaba pa to. 37 seconds. Patugtugin na natin ang song number 2. Kai.
Pangarap.
Wrong. Song number 5. Glens.
Aking pangarap.
Wrong. 35 seconds. Song number 2. Chell.
Old photograph.
Old photograph is wrong. Song number 5. Ivan.
Giliw ko.
Wrong. 8 na ang tama nyo. 2 na lang. Patugtugin natin ulit ang song number 2. Rocco.
Get me true.
Wrong. Song number 5. May.
Sa ating pangarap.
Wrong. 27 seconds. Song number 2. Jamoy.
On this day.
Wrong. Song number 5. Naira.
Pinapangarap.
Wrong. 24 seconds. Song number 2. Hannah.
This I promise you.
Wrong. Song number 5. Jen.
Isang pangarap.
Wrong. 22 seconds. Song number 2. Jess.
On time.
Wrong. Song number 5. Latek.
Sakay.
Wrong. 14 seconds. Song number 2. Alex.
All this day.
Wrong. Song number 5. Tito Page.
Last trip.
Wrong. 12 seconds. Song number 2. Says.
Points of view.
Wrong. Song number 5. Ja.
Jeepney.
Wrong. 10 segundo na lang. Parang hirap na hirap kayo sa dalawang natitirang pamagat. I will give you an extra clue. Ang song number 2 ay kinanta ni Martin Rivera. Play it. Jane.
On this day.
Wrong. Ilang beses na yung nahulaan. Song number 5. Mon.
Sasakay.
Wrong. 7 seconds. Another clue. Yung kanta ni Martin Rivera, may lyrics na. Now I know for sure. Play it. Lynn.
Somewhere in the Rain.
Wrong. Song number 5. Annie.
Road trip.
Wrong. 5 seconds. Ang song number 2. Play it. Barbie.
Now and forever.
Wrong. Song number 5. Arky.
Sakay sa ating pangarap.
Wrong. Anong pamagat nung kanta ni Martin na yon? Song number 2. RM.
Broken. Broken.
Wrong. Naubos na ang oras nyo. Patugtugin nga natin ulit yung kanta ni Martin Rivera, song number 2. I know for sure there really isn't any cure to ease the pain of a broken heart. Ang title niyan ay No Way to Treat a Heart. Yung song number 5 naman, kanta to ni Sam Milby. Play it please. Ginamit to sa isang commercial ng toothpaste, kung di ako nagkakamali. Ang pamagat ito ay Close to You. Hindi nyo nasagot lahat. Gayun pa man,